feeling acidic or suffering from the problem of constipation. So this video is for you. Here I am sharing some of the acupressure points for the same. Acupressure is basically a medical treatment. In this treatment, the physical pressure is being applied to the various points with the aim of clearing the blockages. So what you need is this stick. This stick is known as the acupressure stick. Instead of this stick, you can also use pen or a pencil, okay, or you can even make the use of your fingers in order to apply the pressure on the various points. So what you have to do is firstly locate the point which is being formed by the thumb and the index finger, the V shape which is being formed over here, this point. You have to locate this point, and with the help of this stick you have to apply the pressure on these points. For the ease, you can place the hand on the ground and press the points in this form. Upward, downward. In this form, you have to apply the pressure over here. In the circular motion also. The second point is these. You have to basically judge the space between these fingers, and with the help of your second hand, you have to apply the pressure in between these points in this form, like this. Actually, you have to apply the pressure over here. Upward, downward direction. The third point is you have to apply pressure on the tips of the fingers over here, like this. Like this. And the fourth point is on the back side of your hand. Similarly, you have to use this posture of your hand and apply the pressure in this form. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. You don't have to do like this. This is the wrong form. Like this. Like this. And the fifth point is over here. Apply the circular motion pressure on these points of your hands. Like this. These are some of the points of your hands. Similarly, you have to apply the same pressure on your other hand also. With the help of this hand, you can apply pressure on the other hand. You have to practice these points on the both of your hands. And the time limit is 2 to 3 minutes. At least 2 to 3 minutes at each point. And maximum it can be up to the 15 minutes. So it depends upon you how much time you want to devote on applying the pressure. And the next point is from your feet, what you have to do is you have to locate the curved portion of your feet. Curvy portion that is in a line perpendicular to your thumb. In this curved part, you have to apply the pressure in this form. Like this. Again, do it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And you can increase the time as per your requirement. Next is these points over here. Again in the circular motion also. And then the tips. You have to, with the help of other hand, you have to apply the base. These points might be little bit painful, still not at all an issue. This pain will surely help you to feel relaxed after some period of time. Basically, these points help in the circulation of blood in your body, and yes, the circulation helps to heal anything. So keep on applying pressure on these points and feel relaxed and happy. And yes, keep it in mind that you have to apply pressure minimum for 2 to 3 minutes, and maximum it can be up to 15 minutes. Thanks for watching.